Hello, namaste to all. I Sangeeta Patel. Welcome to Om Divine Healing channel, and in this video I'll be talking about how we can heal our loved ones or our kids and the family. Before I start my talk on healing, I would like to say thank you to all who has subscribed to my channel. Thank you also for those who have shared my videos with friends and family. Also people who have liked my videos, and a special thanks to those who have put really nice comments on my videos. Thank you all of you. If you have not subscribed to my channel, I would encourage you to subscribe to my channel, and also there is a bell icon on the right hand side, so turn on the notifications, so whenever you my new video will be uploaded, you guys will be getting the notifications. So let's begin. Healing. I have talked in my previous video about healing, how to invoke healing energy and how we can heal ourselves. And in this video I'll be talking about healing our kids, our family members. Okay, and before I start, I would like to share my own story. As most of you must have visited my website and must have read my story. If you have read my story, then you know what I'm talking about. So it happened like before 10 years. I went to India to attend a wedding of my cousin. My mom got sick, and we took my mom to my guru. She wasn't a guru at that time. I just met her eventually. And with my mom, I went to her twice and visited my guru twice. And in one of the visits, she told me that I have a healing powers. At that time, I didn't know what and how does it work, but she had shown me the technique that if you need a healing, or if your loved ones need a healing, or anybody, you can just use this healing thing, and it's going to start working right away. After we came back, I do not remember after how many months it happened, but at that time my kids were very young, so they were sleeping in my room on the floor. So one night we all were sleeping, and my daughter all of a sudden she started coughing a lot. She started coughing really hard, and she was keep on coughing. I gave her some medicine, but still, she was coughing really hard. And at that time, I realized that okay, my guru had, taught me the technique, so let me try. And you won't believe it, I tried the technique, and along with when I started sending her healing, I chant Gayatri mantra in my mind. And she was coughing, so I put my hand, on her neck like this, and I keep on chanting Gayatri mantra. And within 1 minute, guys, within just 1 minute, we saw that she stopped coughing, and I was very much amazed. My husband was also there, so we were really amazed to see that, oh wow, this healing works. And after a few months, through my friend, I was introduced to Reiki, and that's how I got into Reiki. But yeah, at that time I didn't know what is healing or how does it work. But yeah, that was my first experience, and I was introduced to healing. People who has done healing on themselves, after some time you will pretty much get used to it. So eventually you do not have to invoke the energy. You just give an intentions and it's going to work. If you are doing healing on your kids, you do it when they go to sleep. Why I am telling you or encouraging you to do it when they go to sleep? Because when a person sleeps, the body is more receptive to this energy, and the energy start working faster in no time. That's the reason if you can send healing at night time, either I'm going to share a few techniques. Okay, so in first technique, when your kids are sleeping, you can invoke the energy, and on their head you can put your hand like this. You can either touch them, or from the far distance you can do it. If your child is very sensitive, you can sit a little bit far distance, and you can put your hand like this, and you just just give intention that this healing is going to your child. Your child is receiving this healing, and your child is mentally, physically, emotionally getting the result. Along with this, you can use positive affirmations for your child. Supposing if you want that they should get A+ grade in the studies, or they should do well in the school, you can say all the positive affirmations, and you do it at least, I would say, for 11 to 15 minutes. 11 to 15 minutes every single day when they go to sleep. Do it, and within at least give 15 days, in a 15 days you will see the difference. So in this technique you sit where they are sleeping. Okay, then there is another technique, and this technique will work for anyone. Wherever, supposing you are sitting in your bed or in different or another room, right? You do not have to be next to that person. So you are sitting there, and you have either, if you have a picture, if you cannot visualize, you can put a picture of your child or to whomever you want to send a healing. Okay, and visualize, and again invoke the energy the same way you can, or just sit down. And this time when you sit down, your hands are going to be like this. You can either sit on a chair or you can sit on the floor, whatever comfortable position you feel like. You just sit down and put your hand like this, and you will see that the energy will start flowing from your hands, because energy knows where and to whom you are sending. So it will go and start working right away. So you do not know, since we are human beings, we always our egos always comes in between, and we start thinking, oh really this technique does work. Of course it works 100%. And to whom you are sending, just say that that person is receiving this energy and this person is getting the result. Also, this technique you can use on the person or your family member or your friends. Supposing somebody is being hospitalized, or somebody they are not doing well, and for them at least I would recommend 21 minutes, because when someone is not well, if you send for more time, it does wonders. So when you're sending a healing, in your mind you can chant any mantras. You can chant any mantras to whichever god you believe into, or if you do not, that's fine. Or you can just chant Om. It will do wonders. Gayatri mantra is very, very powerful. Gayatri mantra is very powerful. Mahamrityunjay mantra is very powerful. But if you do not know that that's fine. If you cannot chant, you can put that chanting on your phone, and you can just sit down. So try these techniques on your kids and your family members, and you will be amazed to see the result, the transformations in your kids and family members. Sometimes it is very difficult when we are living in a joint family, and everybody has different opinions, and some people are very negative. They get angry very soon. So try this technique on them at least for 21 days. I would say 21 days to get the result, and you will see the result in 21 days. Because I am telling you very confidently, because I have done this on so many people. It works. So when I learned first Reiki, I have also sent it to few of my cousins who are going for interview. Okay, and they got the job. So I am telling you from my experience. So believe me, and use this technique on yourself or your loved ones. Right now, because of COVID, everybody's under so much of stress, tensions. Also, when you are stressed and tension out there, it is very obvious that people start getting illnesses and disease very soon. So I want you to try this technique at least for 21 days on whom you were doing it. Does not matter. Also, supposing now people will ask me, okay, if I have 2 kids, and if I want to send my family member, so how I can send it to them, all together. So yeah, you can also imagine them all. You sit down, same technique, invoking the energy, giving the intentions, and you can visualize all these people whom you want to send the energy. So now I will tell you that how it works for different people, because the intentions what you give. Okay, so for your kids, you want them to excel in their studies, right? For your husband, you want he should excel in his business, but also he should be more relaxed, more calm, more peaceful, right? So that's the intention for your husband. Supposing for your in-laws, supposing they are sick, or supposing they are not doing well, so it's for their health. So before sending out the energy to all these people, you have to set up an intentions for them, why you are giving or for what you are giving, and then you can visualize, or you can put the family picture in front of you and just imagine that they are receiving this energy. So either you can send it separately or you can send it together. In starting, if you are not comfortable, I would recommend that you just start with an individual person, and once you get master in that, then you can also put everybody together and send the healing. I hope that this video will help you all. So I will be waiting for your comments in the comment section. If you have any questions regarding healing, I will definitely would like and love to answer you all your comments. I hope you have a great week. Till my next video, Sangeeta Patel take a leave. So till next time, namaste, lots of love, light and angels blessing from me.